So there it is. This is your almost $300, or I think a little over $300 cooling fan from General Motors. That is the resistor block. Too bad they didn't sell that sucker separate, but chances are the motor is drawing too much amperage and burning this up, I guess. Possibly, I don't know. We didn't check the current on this motor, but so that's that. It does not even come with the entire shroud, and it is a piss pot to change. You have to pull the entire front end off the car. By that I mean bumper cover, upper radiator support, all that. We can see the new fan in there twirling away. Of course, you have to unhook, you know, training cooler lines and yada yada yada. So let's grab our scan tool. Let's shut the car off. I'm just letting her warm up. I have not checked this yet, but I did see they kicked on with the whatever it is, the AC machine over there. So let's try cooling fan relay 1. Okay, cooling fan 1. So that is a low speed. So we'll turn that off. Oh, 1, 2, and 3, we know that one worked. Whoa! Alright, we'll turn that one off. Then we gotta do 1 and 2, right? Or 2 and 3. Who's on first? This should be like a medium. Alright, everybody's happy. I'm happy, you're happy. Alright folks, that's the best I could do for a follow-up on this one. The shop got super busy. Ended up when I took this thing apart, I seen the orange crusties on the bottom of the radiator. So when we had it apart, I wanted to have the guy replace that too. So we got a new radiator from GM. Resolved that issue, which I was surprised to see. And then, of course, we got the fan from GM too, which I was pretty shocked to see it didn't come with the whole shroud, especially for the price of it. But it is what it is. I'm going to keep moving. Hopefully things kind of settle down here a little bit and I'm able to get some better, more in-depth videos for you. But this will have to do for now, so hopefully you're happy with that. And you have some closure. Anyhow, go down there, give me some closure. Ring that bell, subscribe, leave a comment. And just remember, viewers, if I can do it, you can do it. Thanks for watching.